I saw a group of Halloween skins doing trick or treat. Tom Holland was giving away candy loot for the players. When they left the house, I tried to do the same alone. I did the pumpkin emote, but I wasn't spooky enough, so he made fun of me. I was disappointed when suddenly the costume players came to me and recommended me to change my outfit, so I took their advice and went home to dress up for the night. When I picked the best costume possible, I went back to Tom Holland's house to trick or treat again. He dressed up as well, but he wasn't as spooky as me. He liked my outfit, so he offered me to take the candy basket and dropped me a mythic gun. 1 like for Tom Holland. Subscribe for more.